Hello, this is Thomas again. I will just now demonstrate how you make an image round, which is very popular today. And this is an image that you have taken from the internet. So it is not in your APK file, it's not in your resources, but you are downloading the image from internet and then you put it on your screen and it's round. The first thing you have to do is you have to define an image here, as you can see. I hope you can see the blue square here. This is an image view. As you can see here, image view. And it's very important that the layout width and the layout height is the same. So you simply put an image view on your screen. That's it. And you give it an ID. Then we go to the code. The first thing you have to do is that in your class where the image is, you have to define round bitmap drawable. This is a feature that Android now have, and when you define this, it will automatically put in whatever you need here. It's actually those two here, imports, that will automatically be included in your project. It's Android support V4 graphics drawable round bitmap drawable plus the rounded bitmap drawable factory. But this is coming automatically. You don't have to worry about that. Of course, then you also have to define your image view like this. You have probably done this many times. I will put all the code into the remarks in the video. The next thing is you have to download the image from internet, and that has to be done in a separate thread, because if you don't do that, your whole app will simply stop. Yeah? So the way I do this is I have this line of code, new download image task, image view, and then I find view by ID, which is my image view, dot execute, and then the path, the URL path of the image on internet. Yeah, and this you do in onCreate. Okay, and I will now show you this download image task, because I have this down here. Maybe it seems complicated, but it's not. It's really not complicated. When you look at the code, it's not that complicated, but you have to look at it a few times. Okay, so here I have an asynchronic task, and that was this download image task. And you can just copy and paste this. It will always work. And it will download the image based on the URL, the string you have passed, and blah, 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 blah. And here is the interesting thing. On post execute, that means when the download task is finished. Then first of all, I make the drawable round. And this is a built-in functionality in Android. And you have to say, first you have to call this line here, and then you have to call this line. And of course, the downloaded bitmap also have to be set. And the drawable that you have defined up here also have to be set. So the main rule is the image view has to have the same width and height, and then it will be round. Yeah. So this is it. I hope it helps you.